The fabulous Florida Keys.
Absolutely fabulous. It's a beautiful day in Florida Keys. We're out fishing in the ocean, and it has been a long, long time that
I can do this better. Watch. Listen to this. Point that thing over me.
Yes.
Okay. I go for younger women, live with several a while. Though I'd run them away, they come back one day, and still they manage to smile. Just takes a while. Just takes a while. You gonna record me in your website? She has a website that beats all websites for sales lady. It automatically calls you every day. It calls you by first name. Alfredo, how you doing, Alfredo? How's Elizabeth? Gotta pull off a little. No, go up this way. ¿Quieres uno? This is Anita. Do you remember Anita Bryan? You do have strong talent.
Yeah, I do.
Huh? What? Oh yeah, I'm gonna go say it. I need you to concentrate on something.